Hi there! Want to learn English and Icelandic? Good, then you're in the right place. I'm a secondary education English teacher and grew up bilingually with Icelandic and German. Languages are part of my great passions, and the thought behind howtoteachx is to share my knowledge about them. There exist many channels out there, and I'm not going to lie, their content is equally good. So why should you stay here? Well, my videos are shot from an EFL, so English as a foreign language, or IFL, Icelandic as a foreign language perspective. They are authentic and humor does not come too short. Language learning should be fun. Try it yourself. At howtoteachx, we provide high-quality content for both beginners and experienced learners. Through creative educational videos, just like this one, grammar worksheets, vocabulary exercises and pronunciation lessons, we help to ensure that you will never have to worry about your grades again. And sometimes we also add our own innovative teaching concepts for teachers. Check them out, link is in the description. Our goal at howtoteachx is to bring education to another level. And see you in our videos. Bye bye!